Every year, Apple introduces new iPhones in the form of the iPhone 15 series. Recently, Apple has made an attempt to differentiate its Pro phones from its normal iPhone models. Some news coming in the iPhone 15 Dynamic Island may have some internal changes, such as a new proximity sensor location on top of Dynamic Island, so when the iPhone 15 Pro the sensor is inside display outside the pale hole. But this year with the iPhone 15 series it is within the Dynamic Island, which may fix the screen of delay issue iPhone 14 users are experiencing right now when on call or something. More news from Samsung is that they aim to offer Apple with the best-in-class OLED display, and they plan to begin manufacturing 1 month earlier than expected, so Apple is unquestionably well prepared for a September launch. And the iOS 17 release date is slated for June 5th at WWDC, and we may even see the AR/VR headset Mac Pro and 15-inch MacBook Air at the same event. According to a fresh rumor from Taiwanese research firm TrendForce, Apple will increase the capacity and specs of the RAM within the iPhone 15 series. TrendForce earlier indicated that the iPhone 15 Pro would be enhanced to 8 GB of RAM from the present 6 GB. So the ordinary iPhone 15s might still have 6 GB of RAM, but with quicker IPDR5 speeds rather than the existing IPDR4X. The USB-C connector and all-new Action button, which may offer SIM card-like capabilities akin to the Apple Watch Ultra, will be the device's highlights. The iPhone 15 Pro series will, as far as we are aware, have pressure-sensitive buttons, which, unlike physical buttons, will not function when the phone's battery runs out. Apple has supposedly rectified this by integrating a new low-energy processor that will always keep the buttons powered up even if the phone dies. Speaking of which, as we all know, the conventional mute switch will be replaced with a pressure-sensitive Action button, which may be user-configurable to any action, which is a really cool feature. The iPhone 15 series may launch without physical SIM card trays in Europe and the United States this year. According to reports, France will not get a SIM card tray in the latest iPhone release, and other countries may follow if their carriers support eSIM. The iPhone 15 Ultra will include a 6.78-inch OLED display, with a resolution of 2778 by 1280 and a 120Hz fast motion display. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.